Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today is a very, very special episode. We got a package from a gentleman named Phil. I'm not going to use his last name, but just so you know, this is going to be interesting because it has to do with fudge. Now this is a bourbon fudge and a rum fudge. Now Phil has kind of a part-time job called Phil's Fudge. Now what Phil likes to do is he likes to take and soak his nuts for a very long time in rum or bourbon. Then he likes to push out some fudge and see if you like it. So he did put a little letter in here. Make sure his name's not on here. Nope. So he had a little letter for me, and I'm going to go over it just a tad bit. It says, you have received one or more bars of Phil's Fudge. And these fudge bars contain walnuts soaked in either Woodford Reserve bourbon, ooh, the expensive stuff, or Myers dark rum. Either way, eat responsibly. So first thing you should do is refrigerate the fudge so that it is well firm, at least enough to cut and not smushed into a flat, gooey mess. So we have to refrigerate Phil's nuts for a little while, which I have done so before this unboxing. And it says, do not eat more than one piece the size of your little finger if you are working, driving, or signing legal documents. Now, did I mention eat responsibly? Now you need to cut the bar into pieces from the top down so that each piece is about the size of your little finger. Yes, your little finger. Now each piece you cut will be as strong as the number of pieces of walnut within the piece. So the more pieces of Phil's nuts you eat, the stronger the alcohol content. Now this fudge will keep in the refrigerator or freezer for over 6 months. Probably longer. If you're stretching it out to 6 months, you're probably not enjoying it enough. Thank you, Phil. Now for the taste test. Now which one is that?
The rum.
What do you think?
It's not bad.
Not bad? Very rummy?
Not really.
Oh, okay.
But you can taste it.
Oh,
it's
okay.
there. The taste is there. That's not bad. That's pretty good.
That's the bourbon?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So overall, you can taste the alcohol, but it's not overpowering.
Right.
What you're saying.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Cindy. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Phil, for sending us these. We appreciate it. Now, for the viewers here, just so you know, Phil is actually very well known by a friend of mine. So it's not like, some viewer just sent me fudge and I ate it. I'm a little smarter than that. But just so you know, again, Phil, appreciate it very much. And again, I wish you the best of luck with these because these are awesome. So thank you very much. And as always, have a great day.